and welcome to LNS Peripherals 101. LNS's self-cleaning filtration chip conveyors offer years of reliable service with minimal intervention. In order to ensure efficient functioning of your filtering chip conveyor, it will require occasional maintenance. In this short video, we're going to explain to you how to access and replace the internal filter box brushes on the MH and Sfcompact conveyors should they need replacing.
To replace the brushes, first remove the access plate underneath the drive covers of the Sfcompact or MH conveyor. This will expose the belt beneath. Rotate the belt of the chip conveyor until the brush becomes visible. Splay out the brush holder to allow the brush to be removed. Insert a new brush as shown, ensuring it is properly located inside, and recrimp the brush holder using a pair of pliers here as shown. Make sure the brush is securely in place. Put the cover back in place, and your conveyor is ready to run.
Thank you for watching this episode of LNS Peripherals 101. I hope it has helped you increase your machine tool efficiency. If you have any questions about any LNS products or if you'd like us to consider other video topics in the future, please let us know.